Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this short video I'll show to you guys how you can create shortcuts for your favorite website on your desktop. So for example, I have created a shortcut for Microsoft website. Once I just click over this icon or over this shortcut which is on my desktop, it will open the website of Microsoft. I'll show you how you can do that. For example, if you want to do that for your Facebook page or for your YouTube channel, then these are the steps how to do that. So the steps that I'm going to show to you are done on Google Chrome, but pretty much the same steps you have to follow on different browsers. If you want those shortcuts to be open with a specific browser, then find the link on the description below to another video which will explain how to do that. So here we are. Let's go back once again to Google Chrome and let's open here, for example, facebook.com, and let's suppose that we want to have a shortcut of facebook.com on the desktop. So here it is, the facebook.com, and once we have opened the website, we click at these three dots here, and then we have this option here which is install Facebook. So now we can install the tool by itself or the application by itself on the computer. And the other option is to click over more tools, and then over here we click over create shortcut. So by clicking here we have the possibility to create a shortcut, and the icon of this shortcut will be with the logo of Facebook. We have the possibility to select open as window. So if we choose this option, once we click over this shortcut on the desktop, it will open as a window, or if you don't select this one, it will be added as a new tab on your Google Chrome browser where you are already working. I'm going to select open as a window and let's have a look. We click over create and let's see. So here it is. This is how it will show the Facebook once you open it, and then it will pop up also this notification here which says, would you like to pin Facebook to your taskbar? If you do that, then Facebook will be here at the taskbar and you have the possibility to open it from the Facebook icon that is on the desktop or from the taskbar which is over here. Let's try to just open it from the icon, and here it is how it will be looking the website of Facebook by opening on that way. Let's go back to Google Chrome and let me show you another example. So let's suppose that you want to do that for YouTube website. So let's go and open youtube.com. Once again, we follow the same way. So we click over these three dots, and then we have here the possibility which is for more tools. We click over more tools and then we choose create shortcut. Then it will pop up this window to confirm the settings regarding the shortcut. I'll not select open as window and then I'll click over create. Let me show you now how it will be open now the YouTube. So here it is, the YouTube shortcut with the logo of YouTube, and once I click on it, it will add it as a new tab on the Google Chrome browser where I was working. So this is the difference when you don't click that option open as window. You can do this for any kind of website that you want. So this is how you can create a desktop shortcut for your favorite website. Thanks a lot for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel. Wish to you all the best. Thank you.